Hello, kids! Today we brought a new story for you. The Little Red Riding Hood.
Once upon a time, on the edge of a big forest, lived a little girl with a mom and dad. Every time the little girl went into the forest in a red hood, she would be clad. The little girl felt so safe in that forest, all because of the red hood she wore. The little girl's name became Little Red Riding Hood, a name that she did adore. One day the little girl's mom baked a cake all tasty and sweet. It was a present for Little Red Riding Hood's grandmother as a treat. Grandma lived on the other side of the forest, so her mum told her to go, as long as she stuck to the pathway and went fast and not too slow. Little Red Riding Hood did think grandmother did not look or sound the same. My, what a deep voice you have, she said, as the wolf spoke her name. All the better to greet you with, the wolf said, come closer to me. My, what big eyes you have, she said, the wolf said, all the better for me to see. My, what big ears you have, she said, the wolf said, all the better for me to hear. The big bad wolf said, Little Red Riding Hood, come closer to me, my dear. My, what big teeth you have, she said, the wolf said, all the better to eat you with, little one. He jumped out of the bed and tried to pounce, but Little Red Riding Hood had started to run. Little Red Riding Hood was very scared, and from the house she ran and ran. She went as fast as she could until she saw a man. He was a woodcutter chopping wood, doing his job close by. A big bad wolf ate my grandmother. Little Red Riding Hood did cry. The woodcutter was very brave, grabbed the wolf and shook and shook. Grandmother came flying out with a rather worried look. She was scared and very shocked, but otherwise she was okay. The big bad wolf was upset and really did not want to stay. Grandmother was very lucky, as was Little Red Riding Hood. They had been left unharmed, which was really very good. The big bad wolf ran into the forest and hopefully would not be seen, because he was very frightening and he was very mean. Dear said, thank you, Little Red Riding Hood, and her grandmother said, he said,